On the 22nd of June 2023, the All Meghalaya Poultry Suppliers and Retailers Association had made some clarification on some posts and comments in a few social media platforms regarding bird flu and its effect on poultry in the city. While briefing news reporters today, the members said that the association had sought information and help from the Department of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary for the confirmation on the prevalence of bird flu in the state. Following this, the concerned department had clarified that there is no poultry flu and that the posts and comments are baseless. The members further informed that the association had notified the Lumdingjri police station in Shillong on the rumors spread by some unknown persons, particularly through WhatsApp messages, which is making it very difficult for the authorities to track.
Aku negus nama pemerintah sepan kacing tin sapyan yakini ki khubor balam le ki katu gani ki breu ki bersim kabu ban pentip ban penbena ki social ki platform ki social media ki WhatsApp nama ki WhatsApp group ki bagadan kata kacing pang
fi kadang hok on penstom mo tar kung gaani phimla banshu tan lam le re kan ka fake news mo then the problem what we're facing now regarding to it's not on Facebook or something they launch. Kaya only in WhatsApp group. Di bantries ka simpor ki ba magin FIR ka it'll take time. Di nang tar kami ibu di complication halor ka to kumpanya ka po police department. Di yamentas wa ade bang let ki police department kan le ka ba de kila kami kung issue kan. They are willing from the police department also they are willing to help us. Kami at among you na mangila information ni kiru yung hindi harap ingiru.